Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial in Thunkable. So once you've logged in, once you've signed up for it with your email, you can click on Create New App. So you want to give it a name and we're going to call it Text to Speech, just like so. Then click on Create. And after just a moment you will be opened up with this screen. Now the first thing we need to do is drag a button on, which you can find down here on the bottom left. So pop a button onto the phone interface. Next you'll need to scroll down and find text to speech. So it's a little bit far down, so text to speech, drag that onto the phone interface. And if you've been successful, you'll see it says text to speech here. Next you'll need to click on blocks and you'll need to select the component, which in this case is button 1, and we need when button 1 click do. When we've got that, we click on text to speech and we're going to use call text to speech speak. Drop it in there. Now finally you can type any message you want in there. So just put hi all, and when you're ready click back on design and click on preview. It will open up, click on the button,
Hi all.
And as long as you've got your headphones in you will hear the speech. Well, I hope that helped. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.